If you're struggling to grow on YouTube or just want to go viral with every video you post, this is the video you need to watch. I'm going to break down the exact steps I took to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers on my first day of uploading videos. No fluff, no filler, just actionable strategies you can start using today. If you want to go viral on YouTube, you need to understand how the algorithm works. It's not about luck, and it's definitely not random. The algorithm rewards the most engaging content that keeps viewers watching. So your goal? Make videos that people can't stop watching. But how do you do that? 1. Nail your niche and audience. An interesting topic is the foundation of any viral video. Think about your audience. Who are they? What do they want to see? This might seem basic, but so many people overlook this step. You need to go deep into what type of videos are already performing well in your space. Study the big channels in your niche and analyze which types of videos are racking up millions of views. This is your first clue on what your audience craves. For example, there's a niche that's absolutely exploding right now, the update niche. I recently started uploading videos about that niche, and guess what? I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just one day. It's all about finding that sweet spot where demand is high and competition is still manageable. 2. Master the hook, progression, climax. Now, once you've identified your niche, it's time to create content that hooks people in and keeps them engaged. I use a formula called HPC, hook, progression, climax. Hook. Your first 5 seconds are the most critical part of your video. If you don't grab attention right away, you've lost the viewer. Your hook should introduce the topic and create curiosity. Leave your audience with questions they want answered. Progression. Keep the momentum going by meeting the expectations you set in your hook. This is where the storytelling magic happens. For example, if you promise to reveal a secret tip, don't just spill it out in the first few seconds. Build up to it. Keep the audience on their toes. Climax. The climax is where you deliver on your promise. This is the payoff moment, where the audience gets what they came for. But don't rush it. If you've built up properly with anticipation, your audience will stay glued till the end. 3. Effective editing and storytelling. Editing is how you present your video. Pacing, cutting, captions, and music all play a huge role. Good editing keeps your audience engaged and elevates your content. Combine that with storytelling, and you have a powerful tool to keep people watching. Think of your videos like a movie. Even if your niche is completely different, the principles of storytelling and editing still apply. A good story hooks people, keeps them watching, and makes them want to see more. 4. Optimal posting time and frequency. Here's a mistake a lot of people make. They think any time is a good time to post. Wrong. You need to post when your audience is most active. Go into your YouTube analytics, look at the audience tab, and check when your viewers are online. This will help you align your posting times with your audience's habits. For me, posting in the morning works best because that's when my audience is most active. But for you, it might be different. As for how often to post, I experimented with posting anywhere from twice a week to 4 times a day. What I found was that posting once per day is the sweet spot. It gives you enough time to create high-quality content while still keeping a consistent presence on the platform. But remember, the key is consistency. Don't go too long without uploading, or you risk losing momentum. 5. Leverage community and mentorship. If you're serious about growing on YouTube and want to go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in a month, you need to surround yourself with the right people and resources. That's why I created a community on School where we go even deeper into strategies for succeeding on YouTube. Right now, there's a waiting list to join, but even if you can't get in immediately, we have a free server packed with valuable tips and guidance. This community is for those who are serious about leveling up. If you're looking for mentorship, personalized feedback, and a community of like-minded creators who are all working towards the same goal, then this is the place for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity. 6. Imitate and innovate. One of the fastest ways to learn is by imitating successful creators. Find channels that are killing it in your niche and study them. What are they doing right? How are they structuring their videos? What types of thumbnails and titles are they using? Don't be afraid to model your content after theirs, but add your unique twist to stand out. Focus on retention and engagement. If you want to make videos that consistently go viral, retention is key. Make sure your videos are compelling from start to finish. Keep your audience engaged with well-timed cuts, visual effects, and storytelling techniques. Use calls to action to encourage likes, comments, and shares, which boosts your video's reach. 8. Bonus tip: the power of thumbnails and titles. Never underestimate the power of a good thumbnail and title. This is the first thing people see, and it has to make them want to click. Use bold text, high-quality images, and an element of intrigue. Your title should be clear, but also create curiosity. Conclusion: So, there you have it, the proven steps to grow on YouTube and go viral consistently. If you apply these strategies and stay committed, there's no reason you can't see massive growth on your channel. And remember, if you want more in-depth training to learn the secrets of the update niche, or if you're looking for mentorship to help you get from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just a month, make sure to join our school community. There's a waiting list, but you can get free value right now on our server. Links are in the description below. Imagine you start a brand new channel today, and in just one day, you've hit 1,000 subscribers. Sounds unreal, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. And today, I'm breaking down how you can do the same. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your channel, I've got some juicy tips for you. And if you want to go even deeper into learning the secrets of YouTube growth, I've got a special invite for you to my school community, where I dive deep into what's working on YouTube right now. There's a waiting list, but you can still get a ton of free value in the server. Tip 1. Pick the right niche. First things first, let's talk about niche selection. One of the key reasons I grew so quickly is because I jumped into a niche that's blowing up right now, the update niche. It's going viral. And the best part? I'm constantly uploading videos in this niche, helping me grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers on day 1. Now you're probably wondering, what exactly is the update niche? It's all about staying on top of the latest trends, updates, and news within a specific topic. The key here is speed. The faster you get your content out, the more likely you are to capture that initial burst of interest. Stay ahead of the curve, and you'll see your subscribers shoot up. If you want more tips on how to capitalize on these kinds of trends, or how to grow from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just 1 month, join my school community. Trust me, it's a game changer. Hooking your audience from the start. Okay, let's get to another big point, your audience's attention. I'm sure you've heard it before, but the first 30 seconds of your video are critical. In those few seconds, your goal is to hook the viewer so they stick around till the end. A great way to do this is by opening with a strong promise or asking a question that speaks directly to your viewer's pain point. For example, want to know how I hit 1,000 subscribers in one day without any special tools? Stick around because I'm going to show you step by step. This keeps people watching because you've given them a reason to stay. Don't waste your intro with fluff. Get straight to the point. Tip 2, creating bingeable content. Next up, let's talk about content. YouTube loves bingeable content. That means creating videos that are not just entertaining, but also make people want to watch more of your stuff. To do that, consider making a series of videos that build on one another. For example, instead of one long video, break it into parts. If people enjoyed the first video, they'll naturally want to see the next. Tip 3, optimize your titles and thumbnails. Let's talk titles and thumbnails because, honestly, they're just as important as your content. Think of your title and thumbnail as the storefront of your video. It's the first thing people see, and if it doesn't grab attention, they're scrolling past. Your titles need to spark curiosity, offer a benefit, or solve a problem. But don't clickbait. YouTube punishes that with low watch time. Make sure your thumbnail is clean, simple, and visually engaging. And if you can combine that with a sense of urgency or intrigue, you're golden. Tip 4, post consistently but smartly. When I say post consistently, I don't mean you need to post daily. What matters more than quantity is quality and relevance. If you're in a niche like the update niche, timeliness is crucial. Make sure you're uploading content while it's still hot, but don't sacrifice quality for speed. Tip 5, leverage the power of engagement. This one's a biggie. Engagement is key to YouTube growth. What does that mean? It means responding to comments, asking viewers questions, and making them feel like they're part of your community. YouTube's algorithm loves engagement. The more comments, likes, and shares your video gets, the more likely it is to be pushed to new viewers. Tip 6, pay attention to analytics. A lot of creators ignore this, but your YouTube analytics are your best friend. They tell you exactly what's working and what's not. Pay close attention to your click-through rate, CTR, and watch time. If people are clicking your video but not watching till the end, that's a problem. Go back, review your videos, and see where viewers are dropping off. Is your intro too long? Is there a boring section in the middle? Use these insights to tweak your future uploads. If you're serious about growing on YouTube and want to take your channel to the next level, I've got something special for you. I'm currently offering mentorship to a limited number of creators through my school community. There's a waiting list, but don't worry. You can still join the free server for tons of free value and insights. Tip 7, the power of storytelling. Let's talk about storytelling. Every great YouTube video has some form of a story, even if it's just a vlog or a tutorial. People love stories because they're engaging, and they keep viewers hooked from start to finish. When you're making your videos, try to build a narrative. Start with a problem, show the journey of solving that problem, and then deliver a satisfying conclusion. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even something as simple as, "Here's how I went from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in one day," is a story arc that keeps people watching. Tip 8, network with other creators. Another overlooked but powerful strategy is networking with other creators in your niche. Collabs are one of the fastest ways to grow. Reach out to creators around your size and propose collaborations. You can shout each other out or make a video together. It's a win-win because you're exposing your content to a whole new audience. Don't be afraid to DM people or leave thoughtful comments on their videos. Building relationships in your niche can lead to partnerships and opportunities down the line. Closing thoughts. All right, that's it for today. To recap, we talked about the viral update niche, creating bingeable content, the importance of engagement, and the power of storytelling. These are strategies that helped me go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just one day, and they can work for you too.